In this episode, I'm going to show you how to make Editan soup without water leaves. So to begin, you want to go into a clean pot with your pre-cooked cow feet, your dried catfish, you're going to add your pre-cooked stockfish head, you're going to go in with some onions, a little bit of salt. Remember, salt is always to taste. Add some pepper, add some crayfish. I love to season with crayfish. I'm going to go in with some non-seasoning, cover and let it simmer. I'm going to add some stockfish juice. I'm going to cover until all my proteins are soft. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with some palm oil, and I'm going to let the palm oil cook down for just 1 minute. So after 1 minute, I'm going to give it a very gentle stir. And then I will go in with my bag of spinach. Okay, my bag of chopped spinach. So I'm using this spinach instead of water leaves. This spinach has the exact same texture as water leaves. So you can use spinach if you don't have water leaves. So I will go ahead and add my spinach to the pot. I'm going to cover and let it cook for another minute, after which I'm going to bring in my washed Editan leaves. So I'm going to add this to the pot. And give it a gentle stir. I'm going to add some washed snail to the pot. So because these snails are so little, I didn't pre-cook it, so I just go ahead and add this snail as is. Okay, so I'm going to give this soup a gentle stir. Go in with some more palm oil, cover and let everything cook. If you are enjoying this recipe so far, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Leave your comment in the comment section below and let me know how you make yours differently. Thank you. So this next step is completely optional. This is for those that like spicy food. Okay, so if you don't like spicy food, please go ahead and skip this part. So I'm going to add 2 fresh red habanero peppers for that extra heat. Okay, this step is very optional. You don't have to do this. Okay, so guys, if you enjoyed this recipe, please go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel, leave your comment in the comment section below. What do you think about making Editan soup without water leaves? Drop your comments and let me know what you think, what your thoughts are. So until I see you in another delicious episode, thank you so much guys for watching, and you have a very beautiful weekend. Bye bye.